Hey guys, what is going on? So today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing some iPhone XR cases. These cases are from iBlason. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong. I'm going to start with this one right here. It is called the Unicorn Beetle. Very weird name. Very creative, so I like it. Perfect gripping, scratch resistant, shock resistant, dual layer design, and an accurate cutout. So yeah, this is for the iPhone XR. Just going to open it like this. And it comes with, okay, so an installation guide. I don't know why you need an installation guide, but okay. And a thank you card, and this pretty much has all the information, like the website and stuff like that. You're welcome. Okay. Oh, that was not a good sound. Okay, guys, so this very first one I really like just because it has a clear back. I know the iPhone 5C had colors, but this is one of the very first iPhones that have color. In my opinion, it's the best quality colored iPhone. One of the best looking iPhones. No matter what color you get, it's gonna look good. So I like how they did this, where it's a clear back and you could see what color you got. Because if you got a color, most likely you want to see what color that is. It's not too thin, to be honest with you guys. It's not too thin. As you guys know, I like thin, minimal cases. This is a pretty minimal case, not gonna lie, but it's not too thin. That's probably a really good thing, because I feel like if I drop this like on the ground with my phone, I feel like I'd be 100% like good to go. It wouldn't crack or anything like that. It's not too thick. Like I'm saying, it's not too thick. I actually like how like the size of it is. But yeah, also guys, the button layouts is actually a really cool thing that I like, because it's not a bump and it's not like a dip either. It's like perfectly leveled with the case, and it actually clicks very, very well. Plus and minus buttons, the volume buttons. There's also a cutout for the mute switch, and I mean, that's a cutout, so I mean, nothing really too, it's a cutout. And for the bottom, there's cutouts for the speaker grills and also the charging port. This case would be good for protection, and for looks, it's like a really minimal, simple. The next case, guys, is the Clayco. I think that's what it's called. I might be wrong on that. Anyways, we're gonna unbox this. Okay, what is this? It still has the thank you note. Appreciate that. You're welcome. Oh, okay, so this one, oh, it's a little different. Okay, so this one has like a little plastic like shield on. I'm guessing this is how you take it off. Hopefully I don't break it here. Oh, no, it's not broken. It's not broken. I didn't break it. So it's two pieces. All you do is put it on like this. It's pretty easy to put on, like, I think, right? Yeah, you just put it on like this. Bang, bang, like that. And then it's good to go. This is actually a really cool case in my opinion. It is a little bit bigger than that case that I just unboxed. It does have this little plastic shield on the front. Also, guys, this does look like a really, really protective case. It's pretty thick. I'm pretty sure it's definitely thicker than the last one that we just unboxed. Pretty much same exact cutouts for the speaker grill and the charging port. For the buttons on this one, though, they do stick out a little bit. As you guys can see, that they do stick out, unlike the other one. And the cool thing I like about this one, though, is on the back of the case, it does have carbon fiber on the top and the bottom of the case, and then on the bottom it says Clayco right there. I really like that. I really like the carbon fiber on the back. And it also has a hole for the Apple logo if you're into that. If you like that, if you want to see your Apple logo, you'd be like, yo, I got an iPhone. Yo, I got an iPhone. What do you got? The next case, guys, is called, I don't think it has a name. I think it's just called iBlason LLC. Okay, I don't even know. I don't think it has a name. I like the casing, by the way. Very cool colors. Okay. Oh, I think this is the same kind. Okay. Oh. Okay. Alright guys, so this is kind of like the same exact kind of case as the last two that we just like these two. It's pretty much like a combination between two of these, and this is what it looks like. It's definitely a lot thicker as well. It does have a clear back and a clear front. It does have that little like screen protection thing like that. So if you're into that, oh, it does also have a cutout for the charging port right there, so that no dirt or dust gets in there, which is actually a really cool thing. The buttons do stick out a little bit, just like the previous case that we just went over. I just like how this one, it was like leveled. I like how they did that with the leveling, but there's nothing wrong with that. Like the iPhone XS Max leather case has the buttons sticking out, so I don't really mind. But yeah, these buttons stick out a little bit. And it does also have a cutout thing for the mute switch, where it's like a little flap as well. The thing that's different about this case and those two previous cases, though, it has like a lot thicker like rubber material on the corners of the phone, because obviously that's pretty much where you're going to drop the phone, on the corners of the phone. So I feel like this is more for like a more protective, like more OtterBoxy kind of case, if you know what I mean by that. More protection on the corners, which is a really good thing, especially if you drop your phone a lot. You need to have those, because that's the majority of how drops happen on the corners. So, all right, guys. So this is a thick boy right here. Look how big this case is, dude. I don't even know how big this case could be, to be honest, guys. But this one is called the Unicorn Beetle Pro, dude. So it's this way. Is this? Attention, before you open this package, please enter this link and watch the online video. No, I will not do that. This is like a dad case, dude. Let's rock this really quick. Put it on the pocket like this. Bang. What's up? Yo, this is definitely a dad case. Oh, what's going on? Oh, is this little thing right here? Okay. Oh, things are just falling out. So this is definitely the dad OtterBox case right here. Yikes. Okay, so I'm guessing it's the same kind of thing to open this one. Is we're gonna have to go like this. Maybe I should watch that YouTube video, to be honest, because I don't know what's going on here. Same exact kind of thing. It does have this like plastic thing around it, which is a pretty cool thing as well. The difference of this one, oh my gosh, come on. Dude, what is going on? What is going on? Okay, there we go. Okay, all right, guys, so for this one, it's a thick boy. Look how thick that case is, dude. That is a pretty thick case, in my opinion. But if you're a dad, then it also has a case, dude. It also has a little case that you can do right there. Very cool like that. Very cool. Okay, so that's pretty cool. If you like cases like that, put it on your nightstand. Be like, yo. Like that. But oh, this also does, oh, so I think this one was this one was the Unicorn Beetle, this one right here, not the other one. That's weird, I don't know. I guess those got mixed up. Okay, anyway, so it has carbon fiber on the top of the phone, and then as you guys can see, it did have that stand, which is a cool thing if you like that, if you like stands. This case does seem very protective, like if you crack your phone with this case on it, like what? How did you even do that? Like did it get run over by a train? Like how did you break your phone with this case? Because dude, this thing is this thing's thick. Buttons, guys, are popped out a little bit, like I said, on pretty much every single case except that one. They are popped out. It does have the cutout and the little like flap that you can put it on so no dirt or dust gets in your charging port, and also on the mute switch as well. And this guy, dude, okay, so this is obviously what you clip onto your pants, or I don't even know, I guess you can clip on it like this as well. Don't do that. Don't clip it on your shirt, clip it on your pants 100%. Very strong clamp right there, very strong clamp. I mean, it clips on like just like this. Can you clip it on either way? Okay, so you can clip it on your screen out, or clip on with the screen down if you want that little bit of privacy, okay? But yeah, guys, this was a very thick case. Look how thick that is with the little clamp on there like that. So if you're a fan of the clamp, the dad clamp, great case right here. What is it called again? The Unicorn Beetle Pro. Definitely recommend it if you're a dad. This is a hefty case, very hefty. And again, if you crack your phone with this case on it, what you doing? But yeah, guys, that is pretty much it with the unboxings. If you want to cop any of these cases right here, I'll leave them down in the description below. All these cases seem like really good quality cases. They don't seem cheaply made or anything like that. Like these seem just like very good quality. That's all I can say is very good quality. The only thing that I really don't like about them personally, but you might like them, is the little screen protector on the front. But that's actually good because then you don't have to go out and buy a screen protector. You could just pop this bad boy on there and then you're good to go. So for some reason I didn't even think about that, but that's actually a good thing for these. So you don't have to buy a separate screen protector. You could just use the one that's on here. That's pretty much gonna do it for me today, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, please drop a like and subscribe, guys. It was help the channel. And remember, all these will be linked down in the description below if you want to cop any of these. But yeah, guys, hopefully you guys are enjoying your iPhone XR, iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max, whatever you got. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Apple did not. A lot of people telling me I like move my hands around a lot. It's just because I'm like nervous and sometimes I just need to do this. So I'm sorry. I'm sorry that I'm moving my hands around a lot, but I'll try. Should I just do this? So Apple does.